From deployment to feedback. Once a satisfactory model has been developed, it needs to be deployed into the production environment. Until the model's performance has been fully evaluated, it is better to deploy it in a limited way. Deployment may be as simple as generating a report with recommendations, or as involved as embedding the model in a complex workflow and scoring process management by a custom application. Deploying a model into a business process usually involves multiple groups, skills, and technologies. It requires planning to be done on how knowledge or information will be propagated to users and how the model results will be deployed. Once the model is deployed, it has to be monitored and maintained. In this maintenance phase, you need to identify what could change in the environment, how will the accuracy be monitored, when should the data mining model not be used anymore, and will the business objectives change over time. Once the model is deployed, you need to identify which kind of report is required. And using those reports, you need to check how well initial data mining goals have been met and identify target groups for reports. In the last stage of deployment, you need to review the whole framework by interviewing people involved in the project, interviewing end users, and identifying what could have been done better, or do they need additional support? You need to summarize the feedback and write the experience.